Hey everybody. So, as we're going out and teaching at so many different places, not just me, but so many other Morales Method instructors going everywhere and teaching in so many different fantastic places, I thought I'd take this opportunity to share with you my perspective on what is the Morales Method. Obviously, named after me, Marty Morales. But what is it exactly? Well, I can tell you at this point in time in my career and where I'm at and working with the people that I'm working with as instructors, it really is a set of beliefs and structure that help us to work in a certain way to bring about pain relief or improving posture or a lot of the other things that modalities like structural integration do. The Morales Method really helps to create a structure by which a body worker can apply it and use it and understand what they're doing in order to work with their clients. Now, what I mean by this, in order to get a little bit more of the nitty-gritty, is we have components within the Morales Method called the concepts of palpation. The concepts of palpation help us to really delineate, to create a structure, and describe exactly how we work the tissue. From there, we also apply those concepts in order to create techniques that are very easily describable, and very easily applied to certain situations and on your clients. The Morales Method can be broken out into different programs: the Pain Specialist program, the Deep Tech program, and the MASI program. The Pain Specialist program uses that concepts of palpation and certain techniques that are more geared to getting clients out of pain. And we teach workshops based on subjects, like relieving low back pain, for example. The Deep Tech program uses, again, the concepts of palpation and shows and describes all these techniques that can be used when doing a deep tissue session. So it's really all about learning how to create a deep tissue session. And then we have the MASI program. And the MASI program uses the concepts of palpation, but the philosophy behind structural integration and a lot of concepts and rules related to structural integration to create a very comprehensive and full structural integration program that utilizes the true philosophy of structural integration. Students that go through any of these programs will essentially learn the Morales Method as it applies to those different worlds: the Pain Specialist, the Deep Tech program, and the MASI program. Now at this point in time, I'm not the only Morales Method instructor. We've got other great instructors going all over the country, bringing the Morales Method ideas and workshops and techniques to other practitioners. In addition to the certification programs that we have available, we also have online courses. And these online courses go over similar subject matter, but through an online course format. In addition to that, we also have books. We have books on deep tissue and on structural integration and purely on body mechanics in order to help the folks as a supplement to either an online course or an in-person course. One of the things that we take pride in the Morales Method is really approaching what we do from a curiosity standpoint. We're always curious to learn more. We're always asking kind of the difficult questions. And we know that there is no perfect method out there. And we're always attempting to grow and learn as practitioners. I believe that having that type of mindset and attitude really leads to more growth as a practitioner. And this is one of the things that we attempt to foster when we work with students and we do our own work in the field as practitioners ourselves. Another thing that I really like about the Morales Method is that the instructors that are part of the Morales Method are working practitioners. They actually go out there and have a practice and work on actual clients. They're able to learn from that. They're able to bring things back into the fold and share it with us so that we all learn and grow. If you wanted to distill the Morales Method to its very pure definition, then I would say that it is a set of concepts that have been very clearly detailed in order to make the practitioner be able to easily grasp it and easily apply it. One of the ways that people have described it recently in a recent workshop is that the Morales Method is elegant, an elegant way of describing and applying ideas. I love that because that really goes to the heart of what I've been wanting to share all these years. Not making it complicated, making it simple so that it can be absorbed, it can be learned from the practitioner, by the practitioner, and then be able to apply it easily. So thanks again for watching this video, folks. I really do hope that it informed you on the Morales Method. If you have any questions, please contact us, and we look forward to seeing you in future workshops.